Hey y'all, it's Zoe and welcome to my empty apartment tour. So unfortunately I don't have someone else here to film with me, so we're gonna do it all on our own. So here we have the front door. There is no peephole, but I did get a little doorbell camera that we're gonna hook up, so we'll be able to see who's out there. And then this first closet right here, directly to the left of the front door, is storage. And it is so big. It's like almost like a little mini office in here. Like, yes, I'm gonna love this. And they said they're gonna get me like a string for the light. So that's this first room here. And then this is our coat closet. Also very big and spacious, which will be nice. I don't think I might not need my little over the door hooks anymore, but we'll see. I might still hold on to that. And then this is the living area. Here is the windows, and these are the little shutters. I've been examining to see if I can fit Hazel's window bench on these windows. I'm not 100% sure yet, but we're not gonna know until we get there. Anyways, yes, this is the living room. Very big, very spacious. We'll have to figure out where we're gonna put like the couch and the TV and stuff, because obviously like we want it to be, the TV needs to be near an outlet, but yeah, so we'll have to figure that out. I'm thinking maybe putting the TV here and then the couch can go along this back wall right next to the windows, but we'll see. And then we come over here. This is the kitchen area and the dining area. Here's my kitchen. Super excited about this dishwasher because I've never had one before. So I'm really excited about that. And look at this counter space and all these cabinets. I'm so excited. The first thing that I want to do is make bread because I've always wanted to bake bread. All of them look really nice. I still might give them a little wipe down before I put stuff in them, but they even have these like high ones too. And then another thing I'm super excited about is this, my washer and dryer. I have not had an in-unit washer dryer before, so I'm very, very excited for this one because it'll be so nice to be able to do my laundry. And there are these little shutters, so they're not curtains or anything. I could always like replace them with maybe like get a curtain rod or something, but I honestly like I don't mind the shutters. It's just really noisy, but we can like close it and then you'll never know. And then we come this way. Here we have a little linen closet, as they call it, also kind of big. And then this is the bedroom. So here we have another window, the bedroom. And then this is my clothes closet, also going to be really big, so I'm excited to house multiple seasons at once. There's this like little shelf thing here, so I'll have to figure out what to do with these shelves in here. I don't think I can hang hangers on them though. And then this closet is just the water heater. Might also be a little storage place if I need extra storage, but that big storage closet, I don't think I will. And then the cool thing about this is the bedroom doors. They're like these French style doors with like two doors. Isn't that kind of nifty? Yeah, so French style bedroom doors. And then we come in here and we have the bathroom. So the bathroom also has a second door, connects straight into the bedroom, which is nice because then I can like, if I don't want people to see my bedroom, unlike before when they had to go through my bedroom, now they don't. And here is the bathroom. I have a tub shower like I did before. We have this little mirror cabinet that I've also had. And then the bathroom. And it also has little cabinets and drawers underneath, which I did not have in my last one. So yeah, that is my empty apartment tour. I am super excited to kind of decorate it and furnish it and make it my own. And of course I'll show you all what it looks like when it is all done and furnished as well. But I'm gonna start moving stuff in. We're gonna start cleaning and vacuuming and all that stuff, and then I have to go pick up some furniture. But yeah, I'm so excited for this new era, and I hope you all enjoyed my little empty apartment tour. It's gonna be so sad seeing my current place completely empty, but I'm very excited and looking forward to it. So I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.